Did you know your Ford Transit's camera could fail in the next 60 seconds? Ford knew about it for years. 44,123 warranty claims, 18 crashes, and they did nothing. But cameras are just the start. Wheels separating, engines catching fire, windshields flying off in crashes. This is the $2 billion recall scandal Ford is desperately trying to hide from you. The recall apocalypse. To truly understand the danger your Ford Transit might be in, you have to look at the bigger picture. A picture Ford hoped you'd never see. In 2025, Ford Motor Company didn't just have a bad year for recalls, they redefined what a crisis looks like. The company absolutely obliterated the all-time industry record for the most safety recalls issued by a single automaker in a single year. By just the halfway point of 2025, Ford had already issued a staggering 88 separate safety recalls, shattering the previous industry record of 77, with months still left to go. This isn't some statistical anomaly. It's a catastrophic collapse in quality control. Millions of vehicles, Explorers, F-150s, and yes, your transit van have been flagged as dangerously defective. Brian Moody, executive director at AutoTrader, put it bluntly, when an automaker has a record number of recalls, that is cause for concern. As increasingly complex vehicles become increasingly normal, Ford has stumbled with regard to quality. Stumbled? That's the understatement of the decade. What we're witnessing is a full-blown systemic crisis. Ford claims this is all part of a proactive push to clean up old issues. But as we dig into the details affecting your Ford Transit, you'll see a very different story. This isn't proactive. It's a desperate, dangerously delayed reaction to problems they were explicitly warned about for years. The defects range from high-pressure fuel pumps that can cause an engine to stall at highway speeds to engine components that can literally tear themselves apart. But one particular defect stands out for its silent, insidious nature. A defect that transforms a simple, everyday action into a horrifying game of Russian roulette. I'm talking about the rear-view camera. Rear view roulette. Let's focus on the defect that puts every single person around your van at immediate risk. Ford has been forced to recall nearly 1.9 million vehicles because their rear view cameras can fail completely and without warning. This massive recall includes Ford Transit and Transit Connect models from 2015 through 2019. Here's what that failure looks like in the real world. You, a contractor rushing to a job, a delivery driver on a tight schedule, a parent in a busy parking lot. Put your van in reverse. You glance at the dashboard screen expecting that crucial, clear view of what's behind you. But instead, you get a void, a pitch black screen, or maybe a distorted, scrambled mess of colored lines. Or in a truly terrifying scenario, a perfectly clear but completely inverted image, flipping left and right. It's a cruel trick on your brain at the exact moment you need to make a split-second life or death decision. The National Highway Safety Administration, the NHTSA, is crystal clear about the danger. Their official recall report states that a camera displaying a distorted, inverted, or blank image reduces the driver's view behind the vehicle, increasing the risk of backing accidents and collisions. This isn't about convenience. This is about preventing the nightmare scenario of backing over a child's bicycle, a beloved pet, or worse, a person who is completely invisible to your mirrors. The 44,000 warnings they ignored. Now, here's where this story turns from unfortunate to absolutely criminal. This wasn't a surprise defect that blindsided Ford. The paper trail proves they knew. They always knew. Before issuing this massive recall, Ford admitted to receiving 18 separate accident reports directly linked to this camera failure. 18 times a real-world crash was attributed to their faulty part. But that's not even the worst part. Ford also admitted to receiving 44,123 warranty claims for this exact issue. Let that sink in. 44,123 times a Ford owner walked into a dealership and said, "My safety camera is broken." That's not a whisper. That's a deafening roar. Each claim was a warning. Each claim was a chance to act. And for years, Ford swept it under the rug, handling it case by case, while the accidents kept piling up. At what point does a quality issue become a deadly safety defect? At what point does ignoring 44,000 warnings become criminal negligence? Ford knew. The 44,123 warranty claims prove they knew. The 18 accidents prove the devastating consequences. They knew their cameras were failing, and the inexcusable delay in issuing a full-scale safety recall put millions of drivers and everyone around them in grave danger. This wasn't proactive. This was a slow, reluctant response forced only after the evidence became too overwhelming to ignore. The Phantom Fix Scandal. So after years of mounting evidence, Ford finally issued a recall. The official letters went out. Transit owners could finally get the fix they deserved. Problem solved, right? Wrong. This is where the story moves from deeply concerning to completely outrageous. Because even when Ford was forced to act, their proposed solution was, in thousands of cases, a complete and utter failure. A few years ago, Ford recalled thousands of vehicles, including Transits, for a camera software issue. The supposed fix was a simple software update. Dealerships performed it. Owners drove away, believing their vehicle was now safe. But they were dead wrong. Ford later admitted that the software tool they provided to their own dealerships could fail during the update while falsely reporting success. For thousands of vehicles, the technician followed the procedure perfectly. The computer screen flashed complete, and the van was returned to its owner with the exact same dangerous defect it came in with. The company admitted that for up to 3 years, dealers had returned thousands of vehicles to their owners, believing problems had been corrected when they actually had not. Ford had to issue a recall for thousands of Transit vans, telling owners that the safety repair they thought they had received was a phantom. It never happened. The danger was never neutralized. They told you it was fixed. You drove off the lot believing you were protected. You weren't. This isn't just a mistake. It's a systemic breakdown of the most fundamental promise a car company makes, that a safety recall will actually make the vehicle safe. If you're enjoying the content, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. The Death Trap Catalog. Every critical defect. The camera failure is just the tip of the iceberg. Let me walk you through the complete horror show of Ford Transit defects. Windshields that fly off. A 2022 recall for 2016 to 2020 Transit Connects addressed windshields that could detach during crashes due to faulty adhesive. Imagine rolling your van and having the windshield pop off like a bottle cap, leaving you completely exposed. Fire risks everywhere. A 2018 recall covered 2015 to 2017 Transit vans with trailer tow modules due to wiring issues that could spark a fire, even when parked in your driveway. Earlier models with the 1.6-liter engine had cracked cylinder heads causing oil leaks. And if the engine overheated from low coolant, you're looking at an engine fire while driving. Roll away and stalling. A January 2022 recall for 2020 all-wheel drive Transit vans addressed a defect that could cause the vehicle to stall mid-drive or roll away while parked. You put it in park, walk away, and watch your $50,000 van roll into traffic. HVAC system failure. A 2025 recall fixed a software bug that made HVAC controls completely inoperative. That means you couldn't defrost your windows in winter while driving with zero visibility. Rear wheel lockup. Some 2023 Transit models were recalled because a powertrain defect could cause rear wheels to lock up or separate entirely while driving. That's not a breakdown, that's a death sentence at highway speeds. Drivetrain disasters. A 2021 recall involved drive shaft bolts that could loosen and cause complete separation. Your drive shaft just gone, bouncing down the highway behind you. Another recall addressed torsional damper installation issues that could cause total parking brake failure, airbags, and seatbelts. Multiple recalls have addressed side curtain airbags and seatbelt retractors that could fail in a crash, the exact moment you need them most. The fuel pump time bomb. Hundreds of thousands of Ford vehicles, including Transits, were recalled for high-pressure fuel pumps that can fail without warning, causing the engine to suddenly lose all power. Picture this, you're fully loaded, merging onto the highway at 70 miles per hour, and suddenly, nothing. No power, no acceleration. Just you, a multi-ton van, and angry drivers slamming on their brakes behind you. The engine that explodes. Even brand new 2025 models aren't safe. A recent recall for Ford's V6 engine warned that critical engine connecting rods may not have been properly heat-treated during manufacturing. This can cause them to break and punch a hole through the engine block, risking not only a sudden stall, but a catastrophic engine fire from leaking oil. The rust plague. A proposed class action lawsuit is investigating excessive rust and corrosion on 2015 to 2023 Ford Transit vans. We're talking about rust so severe it affects the undercarriage, wheel arches, and door frames, compromising the structural integrity and safety of the entire vehicle. This isn't surface rust. This is corrosion that makes your van unsafe to drive and worthless to sell. The Trail Trim lawsuit. There's also a class action lawsuit alleging that the wheel wells and suspension in the Trail Trim package aren't even designed to accommodate the specified 30.5-inch tires. That means the tires Ford tells you to use can't actually fit properly, creating a serious safety hazard every time you drive. A pattern of betrayal. This isn't about one bad part or one unlucky model year. This is a pattern, a systemic company-wide quality crisis that spans every system in your vehicle. Cameras that lie, software fixes that don't fix anything, fuel pumps that starve your engine internals that threaten to explode, windshields that detach in crashes, wheels that lock up or separate at speed, rust that eats your van from the inside out, tire packages that don't even fit the vehicle. And through it all, Ford's response has been the same: delay, deny, and only act when the evidence becomes too overwhelming to ignore. The trust betrayed. This isn't just about faulty parts. This is about trust, the bedrock of the relationship between a brand and its customers. It's all about the small business owner who invested their life savings into a fleet of transit vans, only to have them sitting idle at dealerships for weeks or months, waiting for fixes that might not even work. It's about the delivery driver under crushing pressure to make their stops on time, now forced to second-guess the safety of their vehicle every single time they put it in reverse. And most importantly, it's about the child playing in a driveway, completely invisible to a driver whose multi-thousand-dollar safety camera has just gone black. Ford's claim that this record-breaking recall crisis is proactive is an insult. Let's be clear. A proactive company doesn't wait for 44,000 warranty claims and 18 accidents before acting. A proactive company doesn't issue phantom fixes that create false security. This isn't proactive. It's profoundly reactive and dangerously inadequate. This is a corporate giant using its loyal customers as unwilling crash test dummies. Your battle plan: fight back now. Sitting there, maybe with a Ford key in your pocket or a fleet of transits in your parking lot, it's easy to feel powerless, but you're not. Your first step is to arm yourself with the facts. Step 1. Don't wait for a letter to arrive in the mail. Go directly to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration's website, nhtsa.gov. You can enter your vehicle's 17-character VIN to see if it's affected by these or any other open recalls. It's a free, official government tool that gives you instant clarity. We'll put the link in the description below. Step 2. Be relentless. You're not just a customer. You are a stakeholder in this crisis. Call Ford's official customer service line at 1-866-436-7332. Demand to know if your vehicle is safe. Demand to know if the camera repair performed on your van is the updated, verified version, not the phantom fix that failed so many others. Step 3. Call the NHTSA Vehicle Safety Hotline at 1-888-327-4236 and report your issue. Make your voice heard. Make yourself a statistic they cannot ignore. Step 4. Share this video everywhere. An executive board may not listen to one customer complaint or even 1,000, but they cannot ignore millions of their customers watching, sharing, and discussing a video like this. Send this to every Ford owner you know. Post it in every contractor, plumber, and electrician forum you're a part of. Sharing this video turns up the volume from a murmur to a roar, and it makes this crisis impossible for Ford to downplay or dismiss. Step 5. And finally, if you have been a victim of these failures, if your Transit's camera has gone black, if your engine has stalled, if a dealership told you a recall was fixed only for the problem to reappear, tell your story in the comments below. Let's create a public library of these failures that Ford will be unable to dispute. Your story matters. A record-breaking recall apocalypse. Phantom fixes, 44,000 ignored warnings. Don't let your family become collateral damage. Comment below. What year is your transit and have you had any of these issues? Let's create a database Ford can't ignore. And if you enjoyed the content, smash that like button and subscribe for more auto content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.